Alright lads, Rob here from Kickback Garage. Now, this little video here is a bit of a video before the video, if you will. It is, I'm going to give you a bit of an explanation, I'm going to give you some news, and I'm going to give you a tiny apology. So, go grab yourself a coffee, this could be interesting. Hello. So, I'm well underway on the TV 175 project that I've got a series of films coming up on. But I have had serious issues with the GoPro Hero 3 from, when is it? 2012, the one that I borrowed to film all the stuff on this channel. I've got the big problem with that it overheats and turns itself off after about 3 minutes of filming, which is very frustrating. And the last film that I've made, which should be coming out in 2 days' time, is me fumbling around trying to assemble the original TV 175 front disc brake. Now, because the camera has been turning itself off, I've had a real nightmare trying to edit the video, because I've got 59 cuts and they all stop and start in different places, and it's been a right nightmare, seriously, a real nightmare. So what I've done is I've stopped the project slightly. I've borrowed some money off a friend and I've ordered a new camera. So everything should be hunky-dory, yeah, mid next week, something like that. And then I'm going to start on the TV 175 project again. But while I've had this downtime here, I have redesigned my logo. You probably saw the fancy scooter that came across there. And the reason why I've done that is that I have opened up a Teespring shop, and if you fancy grabbing yourself a t-shirt or a mug, then you can simply go into my YouTube page, the first page there. On the banner there's a little symbol with a spring on it, that's Teespring. If you can't find it there, then I'm obviously going to start putting descriptions under all the videos on that, and I've also got a link on there on my Facebook page, and I've got quite a few guys there, and we have a bit of a chinwag and do some behind the scenes stuff over there as well, so that's pretty cool. And the apology I was going to tell you about was the video is 30 something minutes long, so it's a really long one, and I know you don't like that, but I just couldn't find any way of splitting that up into two. I mean, 15 minutes, 20 minutes is okay, but when you go over that, it sort of gets a bit tedious. But I've tried to make it interesting and probably useful to guys that are building a original front disc. That's something I've never done before either, so it was really cool for me too. And I hope you find that interesting. And if not, you can skip over it and, and follow the ones after that again. So I'll love you and leave you. I think I'm done there. And the video is coming, as I said, hopefully in a couple of days. It takes, because it's half an hour, it takes ages. My computer is really slow. So I use ages and ages until it renders ready to be able to go up on Facebook. No, on YouTube. Oh, it's not easy. So as I said, new camera on its way. I'll be filming more next week, and hopefully a little bit more regular than I've been the last couple of weeks here. If you've got any comments, want to say anything, do the old comments underneath the video here. Remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I know I can say it, and go buy a t-shirt. Anyway, see you later lads.